Hi, you're on the channel Kristen and Isaiah. Today I will teach Christian to draw an apple. Christian is not yet able to draw, but he loves to paint. First, draw a contour of the apple with a pencil. Maybe he will grow up and become an artist.
Meow.
Christian, do you like to draw?
Yes, I like it.
Christian, here's the filter pens and draw with me on paper. How nice to look at a brother when he is busy with useful work. Now we take a filter pen and we begin to color an apple. Christian, you are a super artist. We draw a leaf. A P P L E Apple. Here's an apple I got. Bye.